Welcome to our class, and today we are discussing how to solve problems on deciles. First, individual series has been given. We have to find D3 and D7. First step is arranging in ascending order. Check here the least value. First, let me change the pen color. It's so bright for your eyes. And yeah, we are arranging the data in ascending order. The least value is 8. Next least value is 12 and 18, 22, next 25, 30, 22, 25, 30, next 38, 40, 38, 40, and the balance are 45 and 52. Now, what are the total number of observations here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 and 2. It's 10. Now, we have to find D3 and D7. For D3, we need to calculate 3 into n plus 1 by 10th value, which is 3 into 11 by 10, which is 3.3 value. If the data set data if you have options for the decimal values, just calculate this in detail like this. Third value plus 0.3 into fourth value minus third value, which is third value is 18 plus 0.3 into your 22 minus 8 is 4, so it is 1.2 and it's 19.2. If you don't have options like this, and if just they gave 18, 20, 25, or else they might give like this 18, 35, 25, or else 40, or else 10, or else 8. And it is no need to do this value. You can just see approximate to third value, and 18 is your answer, and 18 will be your answer, like that. And next for D7, it is 7 into n plus 1 by 10, which is 11 by 10th value, it's 7.7. Seventh value plus 0.7 into 8th value minus 7th value. What's the 7th value? It's 3, 4, 1, 3. This is the 7th value. It's 38 plus 0.7 into 40 minus 38, it's 2. This is 1.4 and this is 39.4. And next, I'll find out D5. You do calculate for D9. First, let's arrange the data in ascending order. Let's see what's some least value here. It's 43. Next, 47. Next, 48. 50. 55 and 58. 61. 65, 68. 70, 72, 78. Now, we don't need to calculate the n value because they only mentioned that 12 students. So our n is 12. So for D5, it's 5 into 12 plus 1 by 10th value, which is 13 by 10, 13 5 65, 6.5 value, which is sixth value plus 0.5 into seventh minus sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 58. 58 plus 0.5 into 61 minus 58. It's 3, 1.5, and it's 59.5. You can round it to seventh value if the data set doesn't have the decimals. And D9 is homework. Next, we need to find D4 for the following discrete series. Let's find out that. First, we need to calculate cumulative frequency. Before this, let's check the x values, whether they are in ascending order or not. Yes, these are in ascending order. Mostly they will give in the ascending order, so we no need to do the first step. And next, I have already included the cumulative frequency values here. It's 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 12, 25, 25 plus 9, 34, 34 plus 7, 41, 41 plus 4, 45. Now, this is our n value. So we have n value which is 45. Now we need to find out d4. For that, we have the formula 4 into 10 n plus 1 by 10th value. It's 18.4. It is 45, right? Yeah, it's correct only. 4, 6, 24, 4, 4, 16, and 84. It's 18.4 value. Or else for discrete series, you can simply take 4 into n by 10. Then no, you will not get this much. Let's do both ways. For now, yes, we got 18.4. If you observe here this is our decile glass, and if you take 18.4, your G4 is 30. And if you take just n by 10, then how much is this? For 520, for 6 position, it's 18. Now 18 falls here, and in this case also your decile value is 30. So taking n by 10 or else n plus 1 by 10, it will give the same value. So this will be best, as it will be easier for calculations. And this is homework. And the decile values are this. The 2 is, and now we need to, let's calculate the D5 value and D8 for the given data below. D5 is nothing but median, and D8 is, I will calculate D8, you find the D5. For D8, and this is our n, it's 8 into 60 by 10. That's 648. So this will be our decile class. And now, what's the formula? We have L plus 8 into 48 by 10, 48 minus the cumulative frequency of the before class is 40 by frequency of the decile class is 15 into 20 is the class interval. And this is 8 into 16 by 15. For L value, it's 60. And what's 16 by 16? Some mistake I got, I think. We get here 60 plus 16 by 15. 15 once, and it's 0 is already there. It's 60 plus 160 by 15. 15 once, and here 0 0.0, 15 6, 95 and 5 again, 0, 15 6, the 90, it's 100 again, and it's 10.66. So our value is 670.67, and d5 value is 50. And this is the homework for you. And the values are d1 is 20, d5 is 38, d9 is 57.14, and IGR, which is d9 minus d1. Interdecile range. They have already asked interdecile range. Whenever they ask quartile range or else interdecile range or else interpercentile range, we will find out that by knowing that the maximum decile minus the minimum decile. Maximum decile is D9 and the minimum decile is D1, or else the highest decile is D9 and the lowest decile is D1. That's the interdecile range meaning. That's it. And you have a few practice problems, and the answers is in the slide. You can check it out after solving. And that's it for today. And you can have some key takeaways today that we have already seen. Deciles divide our data set in 10 equal parts and individual series. We will find the value by with the formula L of di is equals to I into n plus 1 by 10, and for discrete series di is equals to I into n by 10, and for continuous series for every thing like quartile or decile or percentile, it is common, only the denominator will change here, and d5 is always equals median, and also it will be equals 58th percentile, and the interdecile range is IDR is equals to d9 minus d1. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye.